Okay guys, welcome to another Mamemeister 10-minute mashup. Tonight's game is called Zombo. Now according to the website, it's based on the comic and action figure Zombo. It's available to play for free, and what is it saying here? Can you rescue all the survivors or forever squished in this deadly landscape? Right, anyway, let's give it a go. So, let's see. We're going to hopefully go for Kempston. Let's see if this is going to work. Is this going to work? Work, damn you! And it's not working. Back in it. And one jump cut later. Oh, wait a minute. It was working a second ago. There we go. Right, I appear to be this little funky looking zombie type skeleton thing. I've got to say, the graphics are really nice. Now, I don't know why I'm trying to run away, because what is the worst thing that's going to happen? It's going to shooty bang acquired. Yeah, I'm going to get killed, but when you're a zombie, are you not already dead? Right. Okay, let's go. Right, we've got the thing. Right, you've got to press spacebar. Right, now we can shoot. But you can't appear to shoot the cyclone. Right, you can't seem to kill that thing either. Right, okay. Now, you can probably tell in the 1 minute and 54 seconds I've actually been using this, it's heavily influenced by Atic Atac. It's got the same sort of style gameplay, and it seems to... No, I don't like the fact you've got to press spacebar at that point. That's a bit silly. Yeah, it's got the same kind of... Well, it's not got the same graphics. But no, I like the wee explosion. That's excellent. Annoyingly, you can't seem to shoot down the way. What am I talking about? Yeah, it's got the same kind of sound effects. Tasty survivor. Now this feels... Now see, I don't like that. When you pick up a survivor, for some reason you've got to press spacebar. That just seems a bit silly to me. This game was apparently released, it was released in 2015. And it was programmed by a Malcolm Kirk, I think. Now there you go, yeah, it tells you at the bottom. In fact, I've just told you exactly what it says there. I'm guessing there's a key required. But graphics are excellent. Sound is really good. Typical Spectrum-ish. Now why has that little crow got a hat on? So what we need to do is we need to... bollocks. That is one of the most infamous Spectrum sound effects you'll ever hear, but it's a great sound effect. Love it. And you see he's tapping his feet a wee bit there. Right, that's the only annoying thing I can find in the game so far, is having to press a spacebar. I need to go and get the shooty thing. Now how the hell do you avoid that? You've just got to be really quick. You can't seem to destroy that thing, so what we need to do is just rush through here. Right, let's go down here. Right, there's the key. Now how do I get down there? I'm guessing I need to come in from the door below, so is there an exit down here? I don't think there is. Ah, there is. Right, now we can't kill these guys. Let's pick up the strawberry or whatever the hell it is. Extra life, that'll do me. Now, is it me, or does that look like Dizzy at the bottom? And there's a little Linux penguin. Bollocks. Random penguin liberated for some reason. I like the sense of humour. Ah, bollocks. And it's game over. Right, let's go again. How about a minute? Ah yeah, look, I was going to say, is this time in a different screen? Right, spacebar. Oh, I'm too slow. So it means you've got to... Oh, come on! That is really annoying, that. Could they not have implemented either moving the joystick or else just pressing the fire button? It just sounds a bit silly to me that they've done that. Now see, I've got to somehow get in here, but there's no way. Ah, bollocks. Can I shoot him? No, I can't. And you see, you're almost going to die. Ah! Oh right, okay, I somehow... Wait a minute, what's going on here? I'm getting hopelessly lost. Right, I don't know what happened there. Moving for time, right, got another time for another game. I didn't quite follow what happened there, so like, let's go back here. Now I need to run as quick as possible to get the shooty thing. Wait. Right, how come I appeared at the bottom there? Is it random? I'm not quite sure how the this works. I mean, I managed to appear down the bottom left when I went through this door, so I'm really not too sure what's going on. Right, and I've also managed to avoid picking up the gun, which is probably not particularly clever. So right, if I go through here, like so. Right, it doesn't seem to be overly consistent. Now see, when I went up here the last time, ugh, bollocks. When I went up there the last time, it put me on the other screen. Time for one more. But I've got to say, I do like the game. Graphics are excellent. And I've timed that too late. Bollocks. But it feels very much like a sort of an Atic Atac. Love the wee explosions. Graphics are excellent. Sound is typical Spectrum, but classic Spectrum in my opinion. And I'm instantly going to die here. Ah, come on. It's certainly not easy. Oh, wait a minute. I just walked. I didn't actually go through a door, I just walked to the side. So... I'm just not too sure about the game mechanics. So if I go through here, where am I? Right, okay, now we'll go down here, like so. So can I just walk off to the side? Ah, right. So kinda depending on where. Well, no, it's not. Right, I appear to have jumped past that thing, so not quite sure what's going on there. Right, I'm now down here when that thing's going to try and get me, obviously. Arse! Let's pick up the Linux Penguin. Box. Right, anyway, listen, that is that. That is Zombo. Released in 2015 by Monster Bytes, it appears to be. Yeah, great wee game. Slightly frustrating, but excellent graphics. Typical sound, really good, nice and playable. I will pop the link down below so you can grab yourself a copy and see what you think. So anyway guys, as usual, thank you so much for watching.